In this video, I am going to answer a question in which it has been asked several times by my students. And the question is, where is Buchholz relay located in the power transformer? So now let's step back a bit. What is actually the Buchholz relay? Well, the Buchholz relay is installed particularly in oil-type power transformers and are used as a protection relay for internal faults. They are also known as the gas detector relays. With these type of relays, float switches are used to initiate an alarm when a certain oil level is detected. And there are a lot of causes of internal faults within the transformer, such as bad contacts, oil leaks, ingress of air, and winding overheating, etc., which may cause the oil level to rise, and that is the reason why you need to use these type of relays. So now the ultimate question: where are these relays situated in the transformer? Well, you have to know one thing is that any gas that's being produced within the transformer will tend to flow upward toward the conservator tank. So, keeping this idea in mind, the Buchholz relay will be actually installed on the piping between the main tank and the conservator tank to detect these gases that are being produced. So the Buchholz relay would actually be installed in the place where I actually circled in front of you right now. Now, if you are interested in learning more about electrical transformers or gaining a more fundamental and comprehensive knowledge base of electrical transformers, I recommend you to sign up to my Udemy course called Electrical Transformers Fundamentals. Now, this is a comprehensive video course where you can learn all about electrical transformers that are essential in working within the industry, from basic knowledge to how to procure and install transformers. So if you're interested, please check out the link in the video description.